You don't need an agent to learn how to import from China. Yes, I repeat, you don't need an agent to learn how to import from 1688. Hello guys, this is your favorite girl, Vicky, your number one China importation expert and coach. So guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from 1688. Yes, well, first of all, what is 1688? Yes, I know so many people may have been hearing, or you must have come across people talking about 1688, right? But now I'm going to tell you what is 1688. This app. What is 1688? 1688 is a Chinese e-commerce platform. You buy goods in bulk and at a way cheaper price. So guys, it's a Chinese platform. It was created for Chinese people to buy and then buy in bulk. But what this 1688 app that you're seeing over here is what is a lifesaver. I said it's a lifesaver because you can buy goods for as low as what half the price and you can get it in your country. So this app is a must app for every aspiring importer that want to learn how to import from China. So guys, please click on the notification bell. Welcome back. So to download 1688, go over to your Google. Yes, this is Google. Go over to your Google or your Chrome browser and type in www.1688.epic.com apk. So this is the way you should type it in your Google. So you click on the search bar. As soon as you click on the search bar, it's gonna open up, okay? It's gonna open up just like this, just the way it is. This particular one is the one you should click. This particular one is the one on it. As soon as you click on it, it's going to bring you to a page like this where it's going to ask you to download the app on your phone. I already have it on my phone, so it just automatically logged me in. But for you, it's going to ask you to download it on your phone. I'm going to be leaving a link in this thing of how it looks like so you can know what I'm talking about, where to click to download the app on your phone. As soon as you download it on your phone, set it up, everything, and you're good to go. So as soon as you set it up, this is how your 1688 app should be looking, okay? Exactly like this. So as soon as you set up your system, it app, you automatically have it on your Android phone. So this is what system it is. This is how the app looks like. If you click over here, which is the search bar, this is where I came to. You're going to see a page like this. This is the page you're going to see, which means you are automatically what logged in on 1688. Yes. So this is where you add to carts. This is where you add to cart like a product you want to buy them later. You can basically just come over to this place that looks like a wheelbarrow and add them to cart. Then over here is your message icon where you can what you can chat up with suppliers, different suppliers. You can chat up with suppliers. Maybe you want to get an item from um any supplier. You can basically just what chat up with the supplier, relate. You understand what I mean? Chat up with supplier, relate with them, ask questions about that particular product just for message. Then here is where you can see live videos of over here is where you can see live videos of suppliers that are online selling their products. Okay. You click there and scroll, you're going to see so many suppliers online. So over here is your home feed. Okay, on this home feed, you can see varieties of products ranging from bags, shoes, jewelries, hairs, so many products will be displayed on the home feed, okay? But I know this app is a little bit confusing for people that are not really Chinese. So how are we going to know how to go about this app? That is what I'll be teaching you in today's video. Okay, I'll be teaching you how to download the app and translate it to English so you can be able to understand all these words that is written in Chinese language. Okay, but before then, this app is a Chinese app, Okay, this is 1688. 1688 is an e-commerce platform that has been created by Chinese to buy products in bulks. Okay, so if you're looking to buy products in bulks but at cheaper prices, then 1688 is the app that you need. Okay, you can get half of the price of any product that you want on 1688, ranging from shoes, bag, clothes, human hair, jewelries. You can see you can get absolutely everything and anything on the app except for human being. We are not buying human being, right? So that is it. Except from human being, human parts, you can definitely get every other thing for this app. Okay, shoes, appliances, generator, different, absolutely everything on 1688. So that is it for 1688, and you can get it in a way cheaper price. So guys, I'll log into my 1688 automatically, and I'll be back. Log in. You know, I logged in from the web version, and I'm just going to log in directly on my app. So this is mine. This is how it looks like. Okay, is to come over to this place. This place over here is your search bar. Excuse me, that place is your search bar. You can use that to search for absolutely everything that you want to search for. Let's click on it. Okay, I'm going to click on that right now, and I'll try to search for something. Okay, I'm going to search for kids sneakers. Yes, and then click on the search bar. So you can see you can absolutely search for everything and anything on 1688. You can see it will just bring out different kind of kids sneakers that you can go for. Okay, amazing sneakers with good quality. That is what it's going to bring out for you. You can see it for yourself, and the prices are very cheap. Okay, so the next one is this camera icon. Okay, you can also search for this for products with your camera icon. Let's say, okay, you're scrolling on the street of Instagram or on the street of TikTok. You saw a product from somebody that you like, you take a screenshot or you save that product to your phone. You can bring it over to your 1688 app and search for that product over here. By clicking on the search bar, as soon as you click on the search bar, come over to your camera row. Let's say I have something I want to search for. Just click there, come over to the product you have in mind. Let's say I have this slippers in mind. I'm going to click on it and it will automatically what search it out for me in different categories. Okay, you can see it for yourself. It's going to search out that product for you in different categories, colors, and everything. So that is what that place is. That's what it is used for. So that's it for search bar. And the next one is that I'm going to teach you how you can translate this app to English. So you'll be able to know what is written there. How can you translate this app to English? So the first thing you need to do is to head over to your app store. Okay. So we're going to go over to our app store. So this is app store. You come over to the search bar, search iDictionary app. This app, you can use any translating app of your choice. You can use the iTranslate. You can use iDictionary. There are lots and lots of translate apps that you can use. All you need to do is to come over here and download this app called iDictionary. As soon as you download the iDictionary app, please follow the instruction and set it up. As soon as you set it up, an icon like this should pop out on the screen. Are you seeing this icon? This icon here. I let me drag it out again. You can see it. This eye icon should pop up on your screen. So that is what you are going to use to drag like this and translate the page. You can see it has automatically what translated to English. If I should go elsewhere, the same thing is going to translate to English and you'll be able to use it. Please, when you are setting up the app, please choose your preferred language. Okay, if you know you are from France, choose France. If you know you are from, choose your language. Okay, that's basically what I mean. The language you understand, choose it so it can translate automatically for you. So that's how to use the translating icon. You can also click on it twice like this, double click on the eye icon, and it will automatically what translate the full home page for you. If you want to know what's written on the full home page, it can translate it automatically for you. So that is how to use the eye dictionary translate the System 88 app. Another app you need is what Google Translate. These are the two apps that you need on your phone to be able to translate 1688. So you need the Google Translate app. Yes, this app is another app that you need. Let me take my, yes, you can see it over here. Google Translate. This is another app that you need to be able to use to communicate with suppliers to automatically buy from 1688 app. Excuse me. So when you have your Google Translate set up and everything, this is how your Google Translate should looks like. So what you need to do is to come over to this place and click on the language. When you click on the language, you click Chinese first. You can see the way mine is. Chinese first, and then you pick your preferred language. Okay, they have so many type of language over here that you can pick, a lot of them from A to Z. So you pick your country language the other way, so you can translate from Chinese to your language. Like me, it's English. Okay, so yours can be France, yours can be other country. Okay, you pick it like that. So that is how to use translate. So anytime you want to translate a word from 1688, instead of using the eye icon, let's say you don't want to use this eye icon, all you need to do is just to simply take a screenshot of your page, wherever your screenshot button is. Just screenshot the page. When you screenshot the page, then you go over to the Translate app, teaching you how to use it. Then you come over to your camera icon here. So as you come over to your camera icon, it's gonna open up your camera roll. Soon as it opens up your camera roll, you bring out that picture that you screenshotted and bring it here. Soon as you bring it here, it's going to automatically translate the page to English. You can see it for yourself. It has automatically translated the page to English. So this is another way to translate the 1688 app to know what is written there. So these are the ways to translate the 1688. So guys, that is it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel we'll be dropping updates on how to successfully import from countries to your country. So guys, that is it for this video. Click on the notification bell to get notified anytime we upload a new video. I'll be seeing you guys in the next tutorial.